Good afternoon, everyone. Patrick Johnston here, managing broker, co-owner of GoDominicanLife.com and terrenaSlife.com, your real estate company here in, look, beautiful Dominican Republic. Now, today I'm a little bit more casually dressed. You can see my shirt, Sunday Fun Day. Sunday Fun Day, let me tell you what it is. It's about when Dominicans work Monday to Saturday, Monday to Friday, full days, Saturday, maybe a half day. But Sunday is our version in North America of Friday night and Saturday night together. But they start on Sunday morning around 9 o'clock until about 6 or 8 o'clock at night. They're all about relaxation and fun. So let me show you what we do on Sunday Fun Day. We're gonna start on a bit of a tour. Number one, we're gonna go to El Limon Pool, which is about 5 minutes or 10 minutes away from Las Terrenas. Then we're gonna hit a day disco. So you can see what it looks like in the day. And then we're gonna show you what it looks like in the evening. And then the beautiful Samana waterfront, which is where we are right now. So, as I always say, work your butt off Monday to Friday. Rest on Saturday because Sunday is fun day. Ready? Let's go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not a normal real estate video, but I'm about showing you the real side of the Dominican Republic, the authentic, outside the resorts, outside the tourist towns, how real people live and how they enjoy their life here. We can learn a lot by their experience. And Sunday Fun Day is what I say is this day. And they don't even have to call it Sunday Fun Day, they just know it is. So thanks again. We look forward to helping you when you're ready. But don't forget, like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment. What do you want to see next? We're here for you. We're here for you. So let's go. See you soon.